Very good morning, children. The last class we seen the paragraph. Okay, how to create a paragraph and the font sizes of the paragraph that we seen. Okay, one by one. Now we are going to see the paragraph tag. Okay, so how to set the paragraph, and for the paragraph, what are the attributes are there. Okay, that we are going to see now. See now the paragraph tag having some informations. Okay, what are the informations? The p tag offers a way to structure your text into different paragraph. Each paragraph of the text should go in between an opening p and the closing p. Okay, so what is the opening p and closing p? Not the same p. Okay, so the small p and before of the p, open bracket and close bracket, this is called as a braces. Okay, not a bracket, it is a braces that we want to mention there. And for the closing of the paragraph, the same p and same the symbol, but before of the p we have to give the slash symbol. Okay, that symbol is denoting this paragraph will be going to close. That is the meaning. Okay, see now the incoming the coding. Here already you know the information about that doc type. Okay, document type. Okay, and for following that HTML tag, header tag, title of the paragraph. Okay, and a closing header tag, and now only I am starting the body tag. Okay, body. Okay, for this program I did coding. Okay, see the coding now. See, this is the program. Okay, here I created the head tag and head tag close, and inside the head tag I created the title of the paragraph. Okay, this is the starting of the paragraph. Okay, here the first paragraph. Here I changed the background color lime I given, so the background color is changed to lime. And h4 the first paragraph, and what is that, h2 sorry h5 is a second. Okay, h5 is a second, h6 is a third one that I mentioned. So it will come one by one, h6. Okay, again I'm going to refresh that. See here, it will come one by one, change it. Okay, so this is the first paragraph, second paragraph and third paragraph. Okay, first one, second one and third one. So this is the paragraph example program name, where here I given. Okay, instead of that paragraph given, I am given now 8th standard. Okay, 8th standard B, F section for them. Okay, again I rename the title of that. I given that. See here, 8th B and F. Okay, change it to 8th B and F. So now the paragraph information is changed. The next one, line break tag. The line break tag is used to break the sentence or break the word or break the letter. Okay, where we can keep this word be or tag. From that beginning, your word or your sentence will be come down. Okay, it is look like when you are giving a enter, the word will come down. No, look like it will come. Okay, see now I am giving the information. I am giving the B or tag. This is the program of the output. Okay, this is the coding and coding of the output here mentioned. Okay, so I change it now. So this is the original coding of this code. Okay, I am giving BR code of the after here is here. Okay, in between of here and first I am giving BR tag. I save now. I come here and giving refresh. See, here is the first paragraph of the text will come down. Okay, the first will, I am given the BR tag to the second paragraph and for the third paragraph also. Here I declared BR like that I declared here. See here, but I didn't give the refresh to the browser. Okay, still I didn't give. Before the first tag, second tag and third tag given, but after giving the BR tag to the second paragraph and third paragraph, I didn't give the refresh. Okay, now I am giving. See here is a first will come down, second will come down and third will come down. Okay, this is the meaning of the BR tag. Okay, this is the meaning of the BR tag. The next one, centering content. Okay, center, you can use center tag. You put any content in the center of the page or any table. Okay, where I want to keep, see here, where I want to keep the center tag, see here, after the paragraph I am giving the center tag. We want to close, yes, compulsory we have to close the center tag. Okay, but for the br tag, one important information, for the br tag we no need to give the close tag. Okay, the slash like that we given, no, like this should not give. Okay, only open the tag, br tag mean it's enough, no need to giving the close tag like this. Okay, so br if you are opening means no need to give like that br. Okay, should not give. This symbol is no need, this closing br tag is no need. Okay, this is enough. Once you are given the br tag mean the paragraph, that break will work out. Okay, so now I am giving the center alignment. Okay, after that I am giving center, not tre. Okay, center, center opening. Then up to where I want to keep the center, that important. Okay, so here I need, okay, so close center, center tag. We have to give save and we have to come here and give refresh. See here, the third paragraph, the word will come center of the web page. Okay, center of the web page. Okay, so for the paper we need a scale, and for the drawing we need pencil for the putting the drawing lines. Okay, but in system in HTML we have to give the HTML, we have to give the code load or line means we have to give the statement or HTML tags. Okay, what is the use of the line, putting the line for the HTML tag mean HR. Okay, horizontal line, horizontal line is called as a HR. Okay, horizontal line. Okay, see where I want to keep the line, you first decide. Okay, so this is the coding. After that every, okay, after that every one paragraph I want to give the line. Okay, HR I given. Okay, we have to come there and give refresh. See here, after the first paragraph it came line, after the second paragraph line is came. Okay, to this topic about the first unit of the HTML information and HTML and web page information is over. Okay, next we are going to see the HTML tags. Okay, HTML tags and attributes of the HTML. Second chapter, HTML elements, attributes and formatting. Okay, how to change the HTML front pages. Okay, HTML pages using of the elements, attributes, formatting and all. Okay, the first one, HTML rules. HTML tag always come in pairs like B and B. Okay, B and B. Okay, this is the rules, like that it is mentioned. For example they are given. Okay, but we having a meaning to the B word. Okay, opening and closing, that one. Okay, second one, the first tag is start tag and second tag is the third one, HTML tag are not case sensitive. The HTML tag are not case sensitive. That means what? HTML, this word, the opening tag is a small and this is one is a capital word. Okay, it is not a case sensitive. Whatever you are given, system will accept. The first opening tag and the closing tag both also capital letters or small letters you are given means it is not a problem. The system will accept your request and the system will accept your requirement. Okay, but you should not give the both letters, okay, in the same tag. In this tag, the first two letters capital letter and the last two letters small letters mean it is a problem. You should, your enter is not good. Okay, yeah. So once you are enter the fully small letters means system will accept, or fully capital letters means system will accept. Okay, okay, yeah. Next one, HTML elements. So what are the elements we are calling is a HTML element? Okay, the words or letters between these two angle brackets are called elements. Okay, like that B, BR, H, HR, then what, center, mark you, like that all the elements is called as element. Okay, what is meaning of the element? The element having a some work, okay, some functions. When you are calling the function or when you are mentioning the function name means it will work. Okay, yeah, that is the meaning of it's called as element. These are the code commands within HTML. Elements tell the browser how to display the web page. There are two kinds of the tag is available. The first one, container tag and empty tag. Okay, the first one is a container tag and another one is a empty tag. Okay, so what is called as a container tag? These occurs in pair and have it is available, opening and closing tag is available, mean it is called as a container tag. Okay, every time you begin to, it must be closed. Okay, if you are opening HTML tag, mean you have to must close the closing tag with the help of the slash symbol. Okay, it is called as a container tag. Empty tag means no need to close your tags. Okay, the tags have no closing tags are called empty tag. If you are opening means enough, the conditions or the command will work or function will work. Okay, that is called as a what is that, empty tag. Okay, so here given some closing tags. Okay, closing the P, this is a paragraph content with the help of the closing tag slash P. H1, this is heading content, closing help of the slash symbol H1. Okay, like that division content, like the line break statement. Okay, next one. Okay, nested HTML element. What is mean by is called a nested. Okay, within the HTML another one, like that heading, inside the heading is a title. Okay, this is called as a nested elements. Okay, nested examples elements. Inside of the HTML head element, inside of the head element title element. Okay, it is called as a HTML nested elements. It is very much allowed to keep one HTML tag inside another HTML tag is called as a nested tags. Okay, see here it's mentioned. Okay, this is called as a, what is that, nested elements. This will the result of the paragraph. Okay, this is the help of the results. Okay, what is mean by UL? That means U means it is called as a underline. Okay, see here underline. When you are mentioning U means it is called as a underline. The I mean is called as a italic word. Okay, already we entered some information here. I going to mention here. Okay, I. Okay, I tag. We want to close is compulsory. We have to close. Okay, where I given here. This only we need to keep the slash I. Okay, so I am saved the information, and from here it is working here. See here, here is that word is changed to italic. Okay, so you can't able to see means I will show now. Okay, I changed to the size is H1. Okay, so then only you can see easily. I saved the content. Again I am come here and giving the refresh. Okay, here is that word is changed to italic. Okay, we will not give the I symbols, mean it will not come to the italic word. This only, here is that word only italic. The first paragraph of the text, that word will not come the italic. Okay, and this is the underline. See here the underline word is mentioned. Okay, for you I mentioned, you can see or not see. Okay, you can see means okay, otherwise I am giving another one option for you. I changed the font size. I giving refresh again. See here the underline. Okay, the word is underlined. Okay, so this is the coding for using of a underline and what is that, italic words. Okay, underline and italic words. This is the extra informations of the nested HTML elements. Okay, so how we can mention that instead of the paragraph H1. Okay, instead of the H1 I, instead of the I, what is that, be or tag. Okay, so instead of the one tag I mentioned the another one tag, mean it is called as a nested tag elements. Okay, next HTML attributes. We have seen few HTML tags and their usage, like heading tag H1, H2, paragraph P and other tags. We used them so far in their simplest form, but the most of the HTML tag can see the have attributes which extra bits of the informations. Okay, so here they are mentioned the two part of the name and value. Okay, two part of the name and characters of the elements. Okay, first one, The name is the property you want to set. What name you want to keep the file. Okay. For example, the paragraph P element in the example carries the attribute whose name is align. Okay. Which name you want to keep the paragraph, that you want to decide first, which you can use to indicate the alignment of the paragraph on the page. Okay. On your page, which word you want to align, which word you want to highlight to the user, that you want to design first. Okay. Decide first. Next, the value is what you want to value of the property to be set and always put within the quotes. Okay. The value is what you want to value of the property to be set and always put within quotation. You must be given the quotation. The below example shows three possible values of align attributes. Okay. So what are the align attributes? Left alignment, center alignment and right alignment. Okay. Left, right and center alignment. Okay. So in this output, see here, in this output I am going to enter another one word. Okay. That word here I mention my name. Okay. Yeah. So my name in H1. So here I mention. Okay. Again I given the close H1 tag. I'm giving refresh now. See here, my name came here. Okay, my name is Kim. Now I'm setting to the left, right and center alignment. Okay, so before of the tag I'm giving, what is that? Center or left, L-E-F-T. Okay, left tag. I want to close. Okay, L-E-F-T, close tag. The same tag I'm giving now, but not center. So it's not left. Okay, C-E-N-T-E-R. Okay, you must listen the spelling of the center, C-E-N-T-E-R, center alignment. And next one, right alignment, R-I-G-H-T, R-I-G-H-T. Okay, right alignment. So this word will come here and center and right, the three places also. See here, now I'm giving refresh. Okay, left alignment and right alignment. Here I am GHT, right, GHT. Okay, CEN. I giving us any problems or mistakes, mean it will come look like. Okay, so third one only. Here I mentioned that two word left and center alignment. Okay, but sometimes the right alignment will not work. Okay, so for the correct coding I will take and give you for the right alignment. Okay, so the center alignment and the left alignment is working. Okay, this is called as a alignment of the tags. Okay, alignment tags. Okay, so align left, center, right, like that. If you are mention me, it will work. Okay, so before of the paragraph we are giving like this, means it will work. Okay, align equal to left, align equal to center, align equal to right. If you are mention mean it is what it will work. Okay, yeah. So next topic, see here, the left, this is the left alignment and this is the right alignment and this is the right alignment and center alignment. Okay, next one, HTML formatting, the paragraph formatting or HTML total formatting. If you use the word processor, you must be familiar with the ability to make text bold, italic or underlined. Okay, these are just 3 parts of the 10 options available to indicate how text can appear in the web page. Italic, underline or bold or any other formatting of the text, mean it is called as a, what is that? HTML formatting tags. Okay, yeah. So B means it is a bold. We have to must be close also. Okay, from which word to which word we mentioning the bold options? No, that will. Okay, yeah. Next, see here the title, the bold text. Okay, where is given the bold? Okay, here only the bold, B and bold and B. Okay, this is called as a bold tag. I'm giving for you now. Okay, the center alignment, the third word only. Okay, not third word and second word, which was the biggest letter here. Okay, this I am going to give A alone. Okay, for A alone I am giving a bold. Okay, where here, see B tag, after that A slash B. So only the A word I changed it to, what is that, bold. I'm giving refresh. Okay, so already is there because the font size is bigger. Okay, the font size is bigger, so opening and close tag. Okay, second only is given, so already is there. Okay, if you change it to H6 means maybe it will show high. I change it now. Okay, now I giving refresh. Okay, B and bold, that is the correct letters. Yeah, bold. So it is work only. Okay, it is working only, or instead of this one, okay, the word is changed to here, this one, B word started there. After that 6, here I want to keep slash B. I saved now, I change it to here. Okay, so changed. Okay, like this only we have to give the, what is that, bold tag. Okay, this is the output of the bold. Next one, italic text. Okay, when you are giving the I letter mean it is called as a italic. Okay, I letter we have to give small I and closing tag slash I. Okay, this is called as a italic tag. Okay, italic, the letter is changed to italic. Then next one, underline. For the underline word we need to give the U instead of I, we are mentioning U mean it is called as a underline. I means italic, U means underline. Okay, the next one, strike text. What is mean by strike? Strike means we are strike out the letters, no, or strike out the character, or we strike out the word, no, that is called as a strike text. Anything that appears within strike element is displayed with strike through, which is a thin line through the text here shown below. Okay, text shown below. See the output of the text, maybe it will come, otherwise I will show strike through. This is the output of the code. Okay, strike through. The following word use here strike through typeface. Okay, so strike through mean we having a strike out the word. Okay, this is the example. The next one, superscript text. Superscript text. Okay, when we are giving the square value of the number. Okay, 2 into 2, what is the value of the 2 into 2? 4. Okay, so 2 power of 2, the value is 4. So power we are giving, no, that is called as a superscript. The content of the SUP. Okay, subscript or superscript element is written in the superscript. Okay, the font size is used in the same size as the character surrounding it, but is displayed the half of the character high above the other characters. Okay, maybe it will show the result. See the following words use here, that superscript word want to come down the same line, but it will go, it is going to went to upstairs. Okay, so why means it is called as a superscript word. Okay, superscript word, the coding or tag of the superscript SUP and closing SUP. Okay, this is the coding for the superscript tag. Okay, the next one, subscript. Okay, the same coding, maybe same coding means the spelling is different. Super mean SUP and subscript mean SUB, but the tag figure, tag styles the same styles only. Okay, but the result is different. Okay, the subscript word is come down, the superscript word is going to upstairs. Okay, that is the difference. The following word uses the subscript typeface, that the word will come down. Okay, of the sentences. That is the meaning, that is the differences of the superscript and subscript. Next one, HTML fonts. Okay, HTML. The next topic, HTML fonts. Fonts play very important role in the making a website more user friendly and increasing content readability. Okay, the font face and the color depends entirely on the computer and the browser that is being used to view your page, but you can use the HTML font. Okay, the font information, the font dialogues or font tag is used to changing or it is a making of that web page for the user. Okay, it is a good. Okay, for how means sizing of the font, color of the font and style of the font. Okay, it will be differ from one font to one font using of the tags. The font tags having a three attributes called size, color and face to customize your fonts. Okay, these three only. To change any of the font attributes at any time within your web page, simply use the font tag. The text that follows will remain changed until you close with the font tag. You can change one or all of the font attributes within one font tag using of that. Okay, we have to open the font tag and you have to close the font tag. Okay, meaning of that, the text that follows will remain changed until you close within the font tag. Okay, see next one, set font size. Okay, you can set the content font size using the size attributes. The range of the accepted values is from 1 to 7 largest value. Okay, see font size 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, font size. So 1 means small, 2 means 3, 3 means, and it will come one by one, it will come big. Okay, so the meaning of that font size is differ from the H1, H2 and all. Okay, yeah, H1 and H2 and all. H1 is big and font 1 size is small. Okay, it is the coding is different and the option also is different. Okay, from that coding to this coding, the option is different. In that H1 means big value and font size 1 means small value. The font size 7 means it is the big value. There H6 is a small value. That is the difference between of the font size value. Okay, did you understood?